2 winners. Comment below and we'll be picking a winner.
Today, we are going to change the engine mounts in the Civic. The Civic did have a vibration, and we used the jack to pick up the motor a little bit. Vibration went away. So we bought some engine mounts. We're going to replace them right now, and hopefully it takes away the vibration. So let's change some engine mounts.
Okay, the motor mount is installed. Let's see if it still vibrates.
Just like that.
There you go. No more vibration. Luckily that was just that mount. Didn't have to do the bottom one.
Right. Look at that. Bottom one. We're going to still have a training mount. Doing a giveaway. Anybody need a training mount for a 2010 Honda Civic? Comment below. Maybe we could give it to you.
So this is the end of the 2010 Civic build. Thank you all for watching this build and following us along. We are doing a giveaway, 20,000 subscribers, so we decided to do a giveaway, and we're giving away these hats right here. 2 winners. Comment below and we'll be picking a winner soon. We'll comment on your comment, so reply back to us. This is all. Comment below as well what you guys want to see on the channel. What kind of car, a truck, SUV, let us know, and we'll see you guys on the next build.